Okay, so some people asked on my other fuel pressure regulator video how to reach the bolt that's on the back of the bracket for this solenoid, and this is what I use. Regular Allen wrench, but I trimmed it. Oh, come on, let's wait for this thing to actually focus on the wrench. Come on, hold on. There you go. As you can see, I trimmed it, so now I have just the right size to go behind there and still being able to reach the bolt. I already loosened it, so now it's just a matter of taking it out with my fingers. It's almost out on the way. There you go. Just like so. You see, it's not that hard when you make your own tools. So it's just a 6mm Allen wrench cut down to fit, and that way you can actually reach this bracket. As you can see, this fuel pressure regulator is really bad. Really bad. Oh my. This thing has been getting 8 miles to the gallon. No wonder. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section.